kind of messed with our presentations a little bit. So now we have Verdict. But so catch on to it. But in order for it to work, remember I said the light bulb turns on when I press the button. What happens when I press the button? So imagine we have a big one that creates a field around a block. Now, how many people live in a block? And how many people use electricity every single day, at every single hour, and every single minute?
Yep.
So imagine living in a world that sounds like this. You get my computer, yeah, that wouldn't be so. Imagine trying to sleep. How many people have insomnia? I have insomnia. That'd be horrible. So, for practical reasons, it didn't exactly work out.
So it turns on everything too, doesn't it?
Yeah, it turns on everything. That's another part of it. It turns on everything. So imagine you go off to work, you have to press your shirt, but that iron is always on. That blender is always on. The microwave is always on. The TV is always on. Everything is always on. That's another thing that would probably not let you go to sleep very much, especially when you have to bring down because your iron is on. So that's another thing. But do not fear. If you are a fan of three things like I am, the lovely people at MIT, not too long ago, about a month ago, just had a press release that said, hey, we thought this was a really neat idea, and since we're really smart and we just have a lot of time to do stuff, we decided to play around with the technology. And since we have better technology nowadays, we modified this, put on a pad, and we put a little coil inside the laptop and a BlackBerry. And we were able to run the laptop and the BlackBerry without any batteries and any cords. Because we're that smart, because we're from MIT. They didn't exactly say that. But I think they're that smart. So they were able to do that. So maybe in about 5 years,